Right. Good morning, and thank you for joining myself and also my colleague, Patrick Windhorst. Pat Windhorst is the four-term elected state's attorney of Massac County and has significant experience in the criminal justice system. And as many of you know, that I was an assistant Cook County state's attorney at 26 in California for a number of years. Last night's decision is a victory for the citizens of Illinois, and specifically victims of crime and the men and women of law enforcement. We warned about the consequences of the legislation from the beginning. Now the Illinois Democrats, the governor, the president of the Senate, and the Speaker of the House are feeling the consequences of how they formulated and passed this legislation. After 4 attempts to fix this misguided and confusing scheme and a strong rebuke by the circuit court, we have an opinion that we have to now decide how it's going to work and how this is going to be applied statewide. My recommendation is that we have both parties, the prosecutors and also the state, seek a stay of the implementation of the Pretrial Fairness Act section of the Safety Act to the Supreme Court and negotiate in good faith to find a fair and reasonable cash reform bill. Or I would ask that both parties, the plaintiff, the prosecution, and also the governor, the speaker, and the president, to stay the implementation of this act while this matter is under appeal. We have 54 counties that are affected by this. And we now will have, if nothing is done between now and January 1st, there will be unequal application of this law throughout the state of Illinois. That is not right. It's not responsible.